Hi, ito na naman, Lunes na naman. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, people out there. So, it's Monday, back to work, and back to class. So, gusto mo pang matulog, gusto mo pang mag-extend ng pahinga instead of lazy, much better is to work than to receive another deduction. So mga motorcycle dyan, what's up mga guys? So traffic, no? Traffic dito lang yan mga sir, dito lang yan banda. Bottleneck of the traffic going to work, going to school, office, somewhere. Kasi yung mga kotse, mga motorcycle is from Talisay, south part of Cebu, Minglanilla, Tabunok, Inayawan, and some is from, pwede naman dito din dadaan yung Mambaling area para mabilis kasi dito compared sa highway talaga. Maraming stoplight, maraming public vehicles dun, so stuck up ka talaga dun. Compared to this, dito lang is tiis mode sa traffic kasi kahit sino nandito bagal, meron walang pakialam sa takbo, meron lang bigla lang liliko. So dito is matest mo talaga pasensya mo in driving, and then your skills lang masyadong mabilis kulang sa pagbiyahe. I know for sure, sabi talaga rin niya, kulang pa yung weekend. Gusto mo pang magpahinga kasi you're from cleaning your house, doing house chores, your personal stuff, personal life. Gusto mo pa mag-extend sa weekend. So ganun talaga yan. Weekend is not enough, but we need to prioritize or teach ourselves. Dapat wiggle, stretch up, stretching, especially this time, ganitong araw, maganda to mga 6, 7, basta wag mo lang ilagpas ng 9 or 10. Grabe na yung init, hindi na yan good for the body. And then congratulations to my friend, my batchmate, classmate on high school, kasi already married yesterday. So thank you pala for getting me as their wedding transport or day-to-day transport nila for 3 days to be exact. Yeah, 3 days. So, salamat by Henry. So everyone, so sino yung gustong mag-avail ng van from city tour, from Oslo, Sumilun, Molbo, Albadjan, Bantayan trip, Bohol tour, or even wedding entourage, you may contact us, you may contact me. So just flashing on the screen right now, and I will just provide some links and numbers, contact details in the description. Tour packages, van rentals, and also po, all our vans are with drivers po sorry but mahirap talaga. So guys, I'll just share again my contact details, the link of the page sa description so that you may contact. So here, malapit na ako sa office, nasa Careta na ako, barangay Careta. Grabe yung traffic dito sa Cebu mga brad. Upo ba to or sa parang Manila na to? Grabe na traffic, basta rush hour. And also lastly guys, always pray guys for this day na all will be well. Pero kahit merong pangit or hindi nyo na inaasahang ma-encounter this day, it's alright, kasi part sa life natin yan Kahit sabihin mong ubos na pera mo, hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, sige lang, kasi ka lang si Lord, katabi mo lang si Lord.